And welcome to Mars. I wanted to show my friends a new area that I found here, um, which looks like ancient ruins on Mars. And to get there, you will go to Google Mars, of course, and then I'm in a mode here where you go into global maps and then click on daytime infrared here on the left. That'll give you a different mode, and you can get pretty good high resolution uh, of Mars that way, but not high resolution. But that's the mode I'm in, and then as you get in closer here, I'll show you what I found. And the next step would be to get to these coordinates, which you can see below here. Let me get a little closer. Approximately, right now I'm at 3 degrees north by 2 degrees west, which is coincidentally, when you get into this area I'm going to show you, we're almost at 0 degrees by 0 degrees, which is probably not a coincidence. But then you want to click on this little orange button here, which says light-toned outcrops in Meridini Planum. And then if you click on that, you can load that high-res image by clicking this link. So once you do that, then you can get this high-resolution area. Go ahead and zoom in. We're also going to put our view angle here at, let's see, probably around 4 o'clock. And zoom in, and I'll give you the exact coordinates here as we get closer. As you can see down here now, we're at 1 degrees north by 0 degrees west. So, interesting. And as you can see, there are some structures that from a distance look like rock. But of course, as you get in closer, you will see that there's more that meets the eye. For instance, here's a giant, what looks like a giant head of some sort, carved into a large structure. Like I said, these look like ruins. They don't look like they're currently occupied, which is pretty commonplace on Mars. If you look back here, this is an interesting area. Looks like an old impact crater. I'm not sure if that's what it was, but we're going to change our view angle a little bit here. So about almost 5 to 6 o'clock. And as we zoom into this area, you can see there's some definite structures here in the middle of this circular area. You can definitely see buildings, walkways, openings. This is another building here, another building here. Some little different walkways, large structure back here. It gets a little pixelated. This isn't a super high resolution, but it's not bad. It's enough that you can see there's some things going on here. Let me give a different angle on this. As you can see, this is a building here, or a compound of some sort. You can see there's, I don't know if these are walkways or entrances, but definitely not natural rock or anything like that. It looks like something that could have been carved into existing rock, but there is definitely facilities and things here. Anyway, just wanted to call that to your attention. You might want to explore that on your own. And as you explore this area, you'll find there's other structures that are carved into the rock, like this one. These look like they're probably back in the day when there was water on Mars, so these could be thousands of years old and abandoned, but they are there. and looks like it at one time was a very interesting area. So take a look at that when you have a chance. As I mentioned, it's about 0 degrees north by 0 degrees west, so easy to find. Load that high resolution image in and take a look at that. Let me know what you think.